You have here Nine of Cups energy, but look at that. Okay? There's that sadness in this person's emotions and feelings, no? It's like, talaga bang para sa akin 'to? Ito ba talaga yung wish ko? Maybe this is your energy or the person that you're dealing with here, but someone here is not happy, no? Or may confusion, may question. Eh, ito ba talaga yung gusto ko? Kind of thing. And I'm seeing an image right here, no, ng pinatak na something sa water. Okay? Yung water, okay na eh. Okay. It's a bowl wherein there's water in there. And I don't know if that's a tissue in there. Okay, but there's that square kind of thing. And it's blue. So it means, okay, that water na 'di ba water is clear? Na pinor dun 'no is nag-turn out na naging blue. Dapat 'di ba pagka pinatak mo yun na water din, ang color ay ano, white or clear I mean 'no, clear, okay? Pero ang nangyari is blue. So whatever the case may be, it's like change change of colors. There's something here you're not seeing might be revealed sa inyo. You know that kind of thing? This is too much strength card energy. This is too much for you to bear. But I'm seeing you fighting. Look, your determination here is so strong. Like, this is a wheelchair, no? So parang the situation here makes you feel weak, no? Parang nalumpo ka with this type of situation. Not literally, honey, but pwedeng this is something here na ang hirap kasing bitbitin or dalhin, but you're fighting for this. Let's see more. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. What's happening here? Mm-hmm. Okay. Hey there mga my loves collective. Thank you so much sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to at sa mga new subscribers. Hi and hello everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome, welcome. At sa returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support na binibigay niyo po sa akin dito. So yun nga, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, just take how this resonates. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that because this is general reading right here. But at the end of the day, huwag niyong kakalimutan na meron kayong free will. Siyempre, no, malaya kayong gamitin. Yan. So, sa nakikita ko rito, right off the bat, I'm sensing. Okay? Universe, God, no? Wala tayong religion dito, ano man ang paniniwala, no, at pananampalataya mo, no, iba-iba man ang tawag natin, no, sa higher power at lumikha. Nakikita ko rito na ang universe or si God, no, ay ipinakita sa iyo ang tunay na kulay ng person na to na hopefully nakadil, ibig sabihin tapos na. Yan. Yung iba recently na tinapos nyo lang, yung iba nakikita kong tinatapos nyo pa lang pero meron na kayong desisyon, like buo na yung desisyon ninyo na tapusin yun. Okay, I'm seeing an ending of that cycle because universe or God, okay, let you see the true colors of this person that you're dealing with. So with the Ten of Swords energy, Three of Swords energy, nakita ko dito that you've cried yourself to sleep. Okay? It's like, this is something here so heartbreaking, no? Nahirapan ka ritong mag-cope up, nahirapan ka ritong i-understand yung sarili mong sitwasyon. You've been from that type of situation in the past, no? This person here make you feel like, no, na para kang lifeless, no? Na wala kang gana, na itawid yung araw mo, no? Ten of Swords energy, this person here, you've received a lot of mean words, no? Like this person here belittled you, minaliit ka niya rito in some way, no? And you know what? Hindi yung mga salita yung nagpasakit ng damdamin mo eh. Kundi yung fact or yung katotohanan na yung nagsabi nun, no? Or yung pinanggalitan ng mga masasakit na salita na yun, yung mean words na yun, yung mga painful, harsh words na yun, no? Yung pinanggalingan nun, yung nagpasakit ng sitwasyon eh. Kasi yun yung taong minahal mo. Queen of Cups energy. Yun yung taong sobra mong minahal, no? Like you've found yourself already, no? Na yun yung taong makakatuwang mo, nakita mo siya sa ganung estado na siya na yung gusto mo rito makasama, no? But this person left your heart broken. This person told you things na hindi mo deserve. This person, naging mean siya sa'yo, okay? Like this person here, no, even just a single or just a percent, no, or 0.01%, no, hindi siya nagpakita rito ng concern, no, or ng guilt man lang after telling you those mean words right here. Okay? Pinakita sa'yo, no, ni universe right here na hindi mo kailangan iyakan yung tao na yan, hindi mo kailangan na magpatuloy sa ganyang sad journey, that there's life here waiting for you. The universe did show you because, okay, nakita ko dito na kumunik sila sa yung higher intuition. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag nakikinig kayo sa intuition ninyo, you're talking to what the universe, no, ang sinasabi sa inyo. You have your own angels and spirit guides, of course, and their way of talking and communicating, reaching out to you is by your intuition. When your mind is calm, when you are at a state of like you're alone, okay, like kalmado ka, like wala kang maisip, no, like meron silang mga sinasend na mga messages right here for you guys. Okay, you could be seeing a lot of synchronicity, signs, numbers, repeating numbers, no, or other signs and clues, okay, that they want to tell you that this person here na sobrang lala ng ginawa niya rito, no, sa inyong emotions, like yung mental at yung emotions ninyo totally bruised, no? Sobrang masakit yung ginawa niya, bawat salita nanunuot sa damdamin ninyo, tas yun pa, nanggaling pa yun sa taong sobrang yung minahal. You realize the universe that showed you this person's true colors na isa siyang Two of Pentacles energy, Five of Coins energy. This is someone here, the energy here, no, na, okay, together with the Queen of Swords in reverse. Kapag hindi niya na kailangan yung tao, or pag hindi na siya kapaki-pakinabang para sa kanya, that person tend to cut whoever that individual is, no? At ginawa niya yun sa'yo. Okay? I'm picking up that very strongly kasi this person here finds you as someone here na parang nasandalan niya before. Pero, bigyan ko kayo ng example, no? Ganito kasi yan eh. Parang nakukuha ko sa energy niya. pinagmamalaki niya kayo before, nung may connection pa kayo with other people, with your other friends right here. Like, si Collective, alam mo, maganda yung trabaho niya, maganda yung kinikita niya, at maganda yung posisyon niya dyan sa trabaho na yan, no? Example lang to mga babes, no? At kinalat niya yun sa mga friends niya, sa mga like family and relatives already, no? Like literally super proud siya or proud siya sa'yo before, no? Or noon, no? But then, when you've gone, no, in that type of situation wherein dumating sa point, no, na pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng problema sa pera, and then you have a lot of expenses which are unexpected to you, no? Parang there's this problem or concern issues na nag-arise, no? And this person tends to hang to you, no? Like literally, no, nagsimula na siyang magsinungaling. Kaya niya magsinungaling eh. Yung nakikita ko rito, this is someone here who can tell a lie just to comfort himself or herself. This is the type of person here, no? Example, kung nawalan ka man ng trabaho noon, because there's something here happened to you, yun yung pinakita sa akin eh. Dumaan ka sa pagsubok, no, na akala mo makakasama mo siya, pero bumitaw siya doon. Nung time, nung bago-bago yung sitwasyon na yan, I'm seeing this person here na mas pissed off siya, no, kesa sa kung gaano ka ka-pissed off, no? Pero, that's your own journey. Okay? Problema mo yun, pero siya yung mas namroblema. Why? Because this person here is afraid, no? Na, alam mo yun, no? Na mag-look down sa kanya yung other people, no? This person's heart and soul punong-puno, lots of insecurities, no? Pero kasi ikaw to mga babes, no, na parang naging way para may angat niya yung sarili niya, no? And then, if ever man na yung specific situation mo has something to do with, para kasing dumaan ka sa pagsubok na parang nawalan ka eh. Okay? Nawalan ka. Pwedeng nawala yung trabaho mo or hindi ka nakapagtrabaho because there is some kind of a situation here. Money is so tight nung time na yon, no? And this person here tend to hang on to you pero hindi matagal. Like saglit lang, no? Like nung mga fresh yung mga days, no, na dumaan ka dun sa klase ng pagsubok na yon, like literally naghang siya dun. Paanong hang miss yan? Kunyari ganito, kahit na, for example, hindi ka na nagwo-work nun or wala ka ng job nun or business mo is not going well, this person tends to lie to his or her friends right here telling na okay lang naman yung business ng partner ko, si Collective. Okay lang naman. Maganda nga yung flow eh. Sobrang nakaka-proud kasi bumili pa nga kami ng bagong appliances or whatever the case may be. This person could be materialistic. No? This person here loves the fact na parang gusto niyang iparating sa ibang tao. Like, importante yung sasabihin ng ibang tao, which is funny, no? Importante yung sasabihin ng ibang tao, no? Kaysa sa kung paano siya rito, no, mag-act, no, in a right way, no? So, kahit na dumadaan ko dun sa problema na yun, no, naging pabigat pa siya. Okay? Maaaring yung kung money man ang problem, no, at tight na nga, siya pa 'to na pabili ng pabili, no? At yung mga binibili pa is very expensive, no, or mataas yung value. So, possible po na gano'n. Pero yun nga, just take how this resonates. And I'm also picking up, okay, no, na this person tend to hang on to you, no? Pero hindi sa sake mo, kundi sa sake niyang damuhong siya. 'Di ba? Yeah, I'm not sorry, okay, na sinabi ko yung damuhong, no. This person, okay, well, it looks to me, no, that because of his or her lots of insecurities in life, no, na pwede naman niyang gawan ng paraan sa sarili niyang paraan, no. And this person's true colors na lumabas nung nawalan ka na. And this person, okay, is hindi niya na yun kayang panghawakan pa. So, this person tend to abandon you. Iniwan ka niya sa ganitong klase ng problema. Like, you really felt, no, na naging doble yung pasanin mo. Kasi yung taong inakala mo, no, na magsistay rito sa life mo, no, kaunting problema lang, no, ang mokong ayun. Naghanap ng ibang kakapitan, no? This is someone here who gives me the vibe of gold digger, no? So I am not um, what's this one? Gonna sugarcoat this, no? Pero yung iba pwedeng kumapit sa mga sugar mommy or sugar daddy kind of thing. Or yung iba, no, is naghanap rito ng mapera, no, mataas yung rank or whatever, no? Parang it's all about that, no? Kasi gusto niyang iparada, no? Oy, Dora, itong jowa ko, no? Magandang posisyon nito sa kumpanya. Marami at malaki ang kitaan ng pera dito sa business niya. Yung posisyon niya, grabe, ganun siya, no? Pero 'di ba, no, hypocrite lang. Kasi 'di ba mas masarap sa feeling pag sinasabi niya na etong pera na 'to galing 'to sa pinaghirapan ko. Na-promote ako sa trabaho kasi ganito, 'no. Hindi yung, "What the?" Maghahanap ka ng ibang tao, 'no, para yun yung ibida mo, 'no, na parang isa kang, "Uy pare, alam mo sinalo mo lahat ng swerte sa mundo, grabe ang bongga ng girlfriend mo." Uy mare, grabe, ang yaman ng 'di ba? So, yeah, I know, okay. Whatever this individual is, God universe showed you his or her true colors na hindi mo siya maaasahan, no? Pag hindi niya useful sa kanya ang isang bagay, parang basura, no, na tinatapon niya. Pero literally, wala siyang iba ritong sinasaktan, no, at wala siya ritong ibang nipapahiya, no, kundi yung sarili niya. Tower in reverse, okay, it's like, this is so unexpected to ya. Pero nakita ko rito na yung intuition mo, no, yung nagbukas rito ng kamalayan sa'yo, judgment is right here. Someone who pursues. Someone here who wants, no, na yung ending, no, ay i-turn around. You flip it, no? You flip it, collective, no? Binago mo dito yung destiny mo. Like, what? I've dealt with that type of person here. Nakita ko naging galit ka sa kanya. Nakita kong dumaan ka, no? And this, a human being, no, normal emotions and feelings. So without judgment, I do accept that. I understand you guys. And yun nga, no, after that, no, you're moving forward, no. It's like, no, hindi ka ako dapat magstay sa ganitong klase ng energy. 10 of Wands energy, 3 of Wands, 8 of Cups energy. There's a few, okay, may anak kayo nitong tao na to, but doesn't have to be. Just take how this resonates, no? You've realized na hindi mo kailangan magstay dito sa ganitong klase ng situation, no? Hindi ako ito, babangon ako, no? Parang dumaan lang ako sa problema, iniwan niya na ako. Yan, no? That is not true partnership. And you're realizing as well to move forward to the future here, no? At ikaw mismo ang nag-urong ng mountains. Mountains are that big symbol of blockage, challenges, obstacles here in your life. 8 of Cups energy, pwede kang may anak yung iba sa inyo sa taong ito, but doesn't have to be. This child only symbolizes right here that you are not anymore, giving that, glittery eyes, tantalizing eyes. No, you're not anymore dreamy about this past person here because you're realizing here, no, na para pa siya rito, no, nakasing ugali ng isang sanggol ng, ano mo yun, uwa, uwa, ganun. Oo, ako rin po yung sound effects dito. Diba? So this person here, no, tends to find that mama and papa kind of thing, no? Yan. So whoever this individual is, you're no longer dreamy about him or her. You're just moving towards your new life. Ace of Wands energy. You could be someone here who's creative, okay? Brainy. Doesn't have to be na you are into painting, but you are creating your own destiny. Painting here your own life. 2 of Wands energy. Look at that. 2 of Wands energy, Ace of Cups. Someone here will cross your path. Yan, no? Pero ka dito, no, meron ditong tadhana, no, na hindi under renovation, kundi bagong gawang tulay, bagong gawang road, no, kung saan, mga babes, no, ang lalanding ay hindi ang sasakyan na pang-land, kundi hot air balloon. Okay? Doesn't have to be na literal no, na magla-landing yung hot air balloon. At no, magkakaroon, no, ng parang dun na parang magda-drop yun, no? Pero ibig ko sabihin doon, no? Ibig sabihin, hot air balloon, it's coming from the sky. So whatever the case may be, this is someone here, no, na bigay ng may kapal, bigay ni universe right here, no? Totally different from that person that you have dealt with, no? Someone here, no, na siya yung mismo ritong susuporta at mag-aangat sa'yo, sa iyong well-being, sa iyong confidence, mag-a-add up siya doon at hindi dadagdag sa mga alalahanin at problema mo. This is someone here that is giving me the vibe, no, na talagang willing na mag-take ng higher level of commitment sa'yo, na magiging committed at seryoso sa'yo rito. May respeto, no, sa'yo. Kasi kung sino man to walang respeto to, damuhong na to. Ano-ano sinasabi sa'yo rito, ang dami kong nakukuha rito mga negative, no, like, parang, yun nga, no, lumalabas na useless ka na para sa kanya, kaya tinake out niya, no, I mean, kinot off niya yung connection niya here with you, but, hayaan mo na siya doon, no, kung nasan man siya naroroon, no. Yan, kung sino man siya mga babes, no, let the universe handle that case and move forward here with your life. So yeah, I'm seeing here new love coming here. Meron ditong tinatayo at hindi niro-renovate, kundi tinatayo talagang bagong road, no? Na talagang kung saan ang road na yan, no, dyan mo na makikilala, no, isang panibagong pag-ibig na hindi lamang desire, kundi balanse ang desire, passion, at love. So thank you so much, Collective Sarang 11 Light. I'm seeing letter E and letter Q. So yan, no? Kung wala yung mga letter na yan, mga babes, na maaaring initial or parte ng pangalan nyo yan, no? Just take out this resonates. If not, yun nga. Just take out this resonates. That's very specific, okay? So thank you so much, Sarang 11 Light.